Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have two Halo Heroes figures, and yes, they're from different series, but these are the first ones that I'm gonna be reviewing on this channel. So if you haven't seen the box, here's the box. Here you have the figure. This is Spartan Emile A-239, and on the back we have some more figures. So these are from the same series. Hopefully I will be able to make a review on them, but if I don't, that's unfortunate. When I will be making a review on them, I will include this figure, but this one will be open, and I will tell more about these figures than about this one. Same goes to here. And on the back there's one minor mistake. Why is here Captain Keys if he's over here? Why? I have no idea. They should have put the sixth figure here, like on this box. And one more mistake on each box I've noticed is that here you have a Halo Combat Evolved shotgun, which is not the shotgun that Emile was using. He was using a Reach tactical shotgun like you see over here. And here, for some reason, Captain Keys is holding a Halo 5 Magnum rather than a Halo Combat Evolved Magnum. And yeah, that's minor nitpicks, but they tend to take away a little bit from the design. Anyway, let's open these two up and see how they look out of the box. So now that we have everything out of the box, I can say that these two are some really nice looking figures. I'm falling in love with the Halo Heroes line because of how good they are. And I'm gonna start with Emile. As you can see, he has this tactical shotgun with very nice coloring, so there's a little bit of contrast between the gray and the black, which in my opinion looks really good. I'm definitely going to use this as a reference when I'm going to be making my custom weapons. In my opinion, this is a great figure. I like him very much, and the paint job on him is pretty good except for a few places. Like here you have a little bit of mispaint. Here paint gone a little bit funny. Over here you got all of these little grenades. And that's about it with the paint, but I can say that the parts quality was also a problem back then, because even now with the new Halo Heroes line I get the same issue, that these shoulder pads, some of them do not stick to the hand. But what I can say is amazing about this figure is this little piece. This knife is used only by Emile as far as I know. It wasn't used anywhere else. Which makes me wonder, like, how far can Mega go in terms of what they do for their customers? I mean, I understand that they don't have too much customers, but that's some really nice job. They made a specialized piece exactly for this one. And the next one is the Captain Keys. Captain Keys, in my opinion, is one of the best figures I've ever seen in and Captain Keys, in my opinion, is one of the best figures I've had in terms of quality. He doesn't have any misfired paint, he doesn't have anything bad about him. It's just not a too much interesting figure to me. But I can say that the quality on this print and this print is just amazing. The quality on his eyebrows is amazing, because I don't think we had, no, we did have eyebrows on the Marines, but still it's a pretty good job. The hair printing is spot on. the gray printing is spot on. But my favorite thing is not even the flood on him, that is actually squishing, quite nice to get, but the Magnum itself. I didn't expect myself to fall in love with this little Magnum as much as I did. This paint job with this bright silver, this is in my opinion one of the greatest things to get with this figure. Overall, I can say that this figure for me is 10 out of 10, but unfortunately it's not the most desirable one. Oh, and of course with this one as well you get this little rod to maybe suspend the keys in the air, although I don't know why would you do that to him, but you can if you want to. They are great. I didn't expect to like Captain Keys as much. I thought that this would be just another figure in my collection, but he did surprise me, and in a good way. He is one of the best figures I have up until now, and Emile is definitely my favorite figure I have. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!